using discriminant, find the nature of the roots of the following equations. We have to find the nature of the roots of the following equations by using discriminant. Now, we have first equation 2x square minus x plus 1 equal to 0. In this equation, we have a is equal to 2. The coefficient of x square, the coefficient of x is b, which is equal to minus 1. The constant term c equal to 1. Discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. Putting values b minus 1, minus 1 square, minus 4, a2, c1. Minus 1 square is 1, minus 4 multiplied by 2, 8, 1 minus 8, it will become minus 7, which is less than 0. Roots are imaginary. If discriminant of a equation is less than 0, then that is negative. Its roots will be imaginary or complex conjugate. We have another equation x square plus 8x plus 16 equal to 0. Here we have a is equal to 1, the coefficient of x square, b is equal to 8, the coefficient of x, the constant term here is c, that is equal to 16. Discriminant b square minus 4ac, we have b 8 and 8 square minus 4, value of a is 1, c is 16, 8 square becomes 64 minus 16 multiplied by 4, it will become 64. 64 minus 64, it will become 0. As discriminant is equal to 0, roots will be rational and unequal. Rational and equal. We have another equation 7x squared plus 8x plus 1 equal to 0. We have to find nature of the roots of this equation. That we have a is equal to 7, the coefficient of x squared, b is equal to 8, the coefficient of x, c is equal to 1, the constant term. Now, discriminant equal to b square minus 4ac. Value of b is 8, it will become 8 square minus 4, value of a is 7, value of c is 1. 8 square 64 minus 4 multiplied by 7, it will become 28. 64 minus 28, it is 36, which is greater than 0, and also it is complete square. Hence, its roots will be rational and unequal. And unequal. We have another equation x square minus 3x plus 3 equal to 0. In this video, in this equation, a is equal to 1, the coefficient of x square, b is equal to minus 3, the coefficient of x, c is equal to 3. Now, discriminant is b square minus 4ac. Now, value of b is minus 3, it will become minus 3 square minus 4. Value of a is 1, value of c is 3. Minus 3 square will become 9. Minus 3 multiplied by 4 minus 12. 9 minus 12, it will become minus 3, which is less than 0. The discriminant is less than 0, hence roots will be imaginary. If discriminant is less than 0, the roots of the equation are imaginary.